Introducing Golden Earth, Lilac Dusk, Pink Powder, Peach Whisper, Coral Rose, Skyline Blue, Teal Fog, and Subtle Sage are 8 new colors added to our Blender Fabrics Decostitch Elements. These fabrics are filled with exciting stitching motifs and unexpected little details that add depth and texture to your patchwork projects. You could also use them alone and embrace the range of colors just like we did in our Fairy Garden free quilt pattern. Our quilting cotton has a high thread count of 205, making it extremely soft and versatile for quilts and garments too. Just in time for the spring season, you can create blouses, dresses, and more. These are fabrics that are non-directional, meaning you can cut them in any direction without affecting the design. Think about this blender as a solid, but with an added texture that will complement the other prints you're using. In our Decostitch Fabric Lookbook, we wanted to demonstrate all the possibilities you can create with these fabrics inspired by the motifs found on this element. Linked in the description box below, you can flip through the pages of our lookbook where you'll find these placemats, quilted pillows, hand-quilted pouches, fabric bins, and more. With a total of 28 prints, you now have more options to match with our collections. These colors will also be available in our Decostitch Elements color card, where you'll find the exact shade to complement your next sewing project. Make sure to get yours today at your online or local quilt shop. As always, we hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy sewing!